Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be making vegetables and pork chops. Sit down, relax, and enjoy the video.
Hey guys, welcome back again to another episode of cooking. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my pork chop. Okay, yeah, I have my pork chop. I've already seasoned it off camera. Then I have my carrots. I have mixed vegetables. I have colored green vegetable. That's what you have. I'm going to be eating vegetable today, just green vegetable. Then I have onions and one habanero pepper. I sliced everything. Okay, I'm going to be frying this with coconut oil. And over there at the background, I have my George Foreman grill. Okay, I'm going to be grilling this. I'm not going to be frying the pork chop. I'm going to be grilling it with the George Foreman grill. Okay, stay tuned and see how I prepare this. Okay, I've already seasoned my pork chop for about 1 hour. I season it with some spice like that lemon pepper. Here you go, lemon pepper and another smoky southwest seasoning, kind of seasoning. Okay, and jerk seasoning. Okay, with salt, with Maggi. I seasoned it and I kept it in the fridge for 1 hour. There's another garlic powder. That's all what I used to season the pork chop. Okay, then I also added some barbecue. Okay, I also added some barbecue sauce on it, and I kept it for 1 hour for it to marinate for those juice to get inside that pork chop. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be grilling it. Okay, as you can see, this is my George Foreman grill. I'm just putting on a little bit medium high, then I'll put on the pork chop. Okay, as you can see, I'm just gonna lie it down there. Yes, then I'll cover it and let it cook. And while that is cooking, I will go over to the stove and prepare my vegetable. Right now I have my pan. I'm adding like about 2 tablespoons of coconut. You guys know that I love coconut. Now I'm obsessed with coconut right now. I'm adding coconut. I'm going to use coconut to fry the onions and the habanero pepper. Okay, then after I'm done frying it for just about a minute, then I'll add my green vegetable, green colored leaf. As I'm gonna be adding to it. Yes, I just feel like eating something simple, something healthy. Then I will also add the carrot to it. Okay, as you can see, I'm just trying to like stir fry it for about a few minutes. Then I will add my garlic powder to it to season it. I'll add, yeah, I'm adding garlic powder right now. As you can see, that is garlic powder. I'll just stir it a little bit. Just give it a quick stir. As you can see, while I'm doing this, the pork chop is still cooking on the grill. Just give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to add the green veggie. Just stirring it, guys. Coconut oil is amazing, guys. Coconut oil is very good. Then I'm going to add my green to it. Yeah, guys, trust me, this food was so yummy. This food was so yummy. When I say yummy, it was so yummy. I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. Just gonna be stirring this. I'm gonna steam it, like after turning it in around, I'm gonna cover it, allow to steam together. I love onions, guys. I love a lot of onions in my food. Okay, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now I'm adding Maggi, like a teaspoon of Maggi. I'm adding it right now. Then I'm adding salt. I just sprinkle some salt to it to taste. Yeah, then I will keep stirring. I'll stir them together. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV, and please don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Right now I'm going to cover it, let it simmer. Then let's check on our pork chop, pork chop, whatever they call it. I'm having difficulty pronouncing the name pork chop. Okay, I just check on it. It's not ready. Then I'm going back to check on our veggie. You see it's steaming right now. It's still cooking. You can see there's water at the bottom. I'm adding my carrot. Okay, I'm just going to just stir it together. Guys, this vegetable was so yummy, like, oh my goodness, the coconut oil took this vegetable to another level, guys. The house was smelling good. The aroma was so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna cover it again to allow it to cook so that water will dry. Now look at the pork chop. It's looking so juicy and yummy. Oh my goodness, guys, I will not lie you, this food was so delicious. My kids were like, Mom, why did you make a lot? Yes, actually I made this for myself and my hobby. I made this food for just myself and my hobby. It was a lunch for hobby to take to work. I decided to make it for hobby to take to work and for me too to eat for my dinner. But you know, now when you cook food, the kids must eat. Now they want to try. When they try, they're like, Mommy, why didn't you make a lot? Oh, you should have made a lot so that everybody can have sauce. Okay, next time I'm gonna make a lot. Normally I make this kind of food for like Sunday dinner, but just for lunch I decided to make just those 3 for lunch and for myself. But at the end they ate from it anyway. Okay guys, I'm checking on my vegetable. It's ready just as I wanted it. The water in it has already dried up, as you can see. Now I'm checking back on the last pork chop. Yeah, you guys see the juice on it? Oh my word, oh my word. Mary, can you see that? Mary Inogwe, can you see that? Oh my word, it's so juicy. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I appreciate every one of you guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. And I so want to use this opportunity to give a big shout out to every one of you, to all my membership, to everybody that keep coming back to watch my video, to all of you guys that keep coming watching all the time when I'm premiering, and Sherry Hearts also. God bless you guys. May God richly bless you all. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Let's keep supporting one another. Let's keep showing love to one another. Thank you so much everyone. As you can see, it's almost ready. It's almost ready, guys. Thank you so much guys. I appreciate you guys. That food was so yummy. When I say yummy, as Abigail say, this was yummy in my tummy. It was yummy in my tummy. Thank you so much guys. This is the finished look, guys. Vegetable and pork chop, yummy in my tummy. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share. I love you guys. Bye.